Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a smartphone frame to your video on CapCut. So in here, what you need to do is first add a main video, and to add a smartphone frame, go to stickers, swipe until you find this icon. Okay, this frame icon like this. Just scroll down until you find a phone frame. Okay, this one's right here. Click on a check icon, then you can resize it as you like, and then after that you can add another video as overlay to put in the phone, inside the phone. Okay, for example this one, click on add, then just resize the video to fit into the phone. You can just resize it like this. Or you can also use the masking feature or crop the video first. I'm going to crop it into the size, and now you can just put the video like this so that it looks like it's inside the phone. Okay, so now you are done with the smartphone frame. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.